Hello my friends and welcome to Alghero, a charming town on the northwest coast of Sardinia that beautifully blends Italian and Catalan influences. Known as Barceloneta or Little Barcelona, Alghero offers a unique cultural experience with its Catalan-speaking locals, medieval architecture, and breathtaking coastline. Join us as we explore the picturesque old town, the stunning beaches, and the iconic Neptune's Grotto, and discover the allure of Alghero's Catalan connection. The heart of Alghero is its enchanting old town, a maze of narrow cobblestone streets lined with medieval buildings. As you wander through its charming alleys, you'll encounter a distinct Catalan atmosphere. Catalan is still spoken here, and signs, menus, and street names reflect the town's linguistic heritage. Admire the beautifully preserved architecture, including the majestic Cathedral of Santa Maria, with its imposing bell tower that dominates the skyline. Stroll along the seafront promenade, known as the Lungomare Dante, and take in the stunning views of the turquoise Mediterranean Sea. The promenade is lined with palm trees, outdoor cafes, and restaurants, creating a delightful atmosphere for a leisurely walk or a sunset stroll. Enjoy the gentle sea breeze and the sight of boats bobbing in the harbor as you immerse yourself in the relaxed coastal ambience. Alghero is blessed with beautiful beaches, and one of the most popular is Spiaggia di Maria Pia. Located at just a short distance from the town center, this sandy beach offers crystal-clear waters and a tranquil setting. Relax on the soft sand, take a dip in the refreshing sea, or simply bask in the warm Sardinian sun. The beach is surrounded by a pine forest, providing shade and a natural backdrop of greenery. Venture out of Alghero by boat and explore the iconic Neptune's Grotto, Grotta di Nettuno, a mesmerizing sea cave that lies on the nearby Capocaccia Peninsula. Accessible by boat or by descending a dramatic flight of stairs carved into the cliffside, the grotto reveals a spectacular underground world of stalactites, stalagmites, and shimmering turquoise waters. Marvel at the intricate formations as you embark on a guided tour through this natural wonder. Alghero is not only a visual delight but also a culinary haven. Indulge in the town's Catalan-inspired cuisine, which includes delicious seafood dishes and traditional Catalan specialties. Visit one of the local trattorias or seafood restaurants and savor the flavors of freshly caught fish, succulent lobster, and mouth-watering paella. Pair your meal with a glass of local Vermentino wine, and let the culinary delights of Alghero tantalize your taste buds. In addition to its cultural and natural wonders, Alghero offers a range of activities for outdoor enthusiasts. Explore the nearby Porto Conte Natural Park, a protected marine area known for its diverse flora and fauna. Hike along its scenic trails, go birdwatching, or enjoy water sports such as snorkeling, diving, or kayaking. The park is a paradise for nature lovers and provides a peaceful retreat away from the bustle of the town. Alghero also hosts several lively festivals throughout the year that celebrate its Catalan heritage. The Festa di Sant Joan, held on June 24-17, is a vibrant event filled with processions, music, and traditional dances. The town comes alive with color and excitement as locals and visitors gather to honor the patron saint of Alghero. In conclusion, Alghero is a captivating destination that offers a unique blend of Italian and Catalan influences. From the charming old town and its medieval architecture to the stunning coastline and iconic Neptune's Grotto, every aspect of this town invites you to immerse yourself in its beauty and cultural heritage. Please don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let us know where you'd like to see next. Until next time, thank you for taking this journey with me throughout all of Italy and Sicily. I pray you have a great day. Ciao.